Hello and welcome back. In this section of the tutorial, we are going to implement the functionality that will cause our camera to focus or center on our player. So I made a Blender scene here to explain what we're going to do. So let's suppose that we have a blue sphere here that represents our player, and we have a hypothetical plane in which our camera can move. So our camera will be able to move like this in this hypothetical plane, and what we're going to do is we're going to take a line from our player that is perpendicular to this plane. So like this, we're going to cast a line that is perpendicular to this plane, and we're going to look for the intersection between the hypothetical plane and the line that we just casted. Once we get our intersection, we move the camera to that location, and we add a bit of an offset like this, so we can look at our player. So that's it for the explanation. Let's move on to Unreal Engine to implement this. Now we are inside Unreal Engine. We're going to head to the level blueprint, and we are going to look for spacebar. Now that we have it, let's begin working on the snapping functionality. So first of all, I'm going to get the champion, and I'm going to get the camera. So for the camera, I'm going to say get actor location, and from that I'm going to say plane from normal endpoints. So I'm going to put the actor location of the camera inside the point, and for the normal I'm going to leave x at 0, y at 0, and I'm going to put z at 1. Now that we made our plane, we're going to say line plane intersection, and for the line start we're going to put the get actor location of the champion, and for the line end we're going to get the actor location, and we're going to add it to a vector. This vector is going to be 0, 0, and a very high number, so let's put 5000. I think that's good enough. Now let's take our intersection and let's set it to the actor location. So set actor location. So the target is going to be the camera, and the intersection is going to be the new location, and let's hook it up to pressed. Let's try if this will work. So I move my character, and nice. The camera follows as it should. Okay, we need to add an offset to the snapping point, because our character seems to be outside of the camera when we are fully zoomed in. So let's add, let's say here 150 minus 150. Let's see if this will be good enough. Actually not good enough. Let's try another value. Or maybe let's flip them. Let's see if this will work. Yep, that's better. So we're happy with this functionality. Maybe let's bump it up, so minus 200, 200, and this will work just fine. Another thing is I want the camera to stay snapped to the character as long as I'm pressing spacebar, and to do that we're going to add a new variable, call it is character or champion focused. Let's set, so we're going to set it here to true when we are pressed, and we will set it to false when we released. So it's going to be like that, and we're going to disconnect this pin from here. We're going to take it all and put it beside the tick. So in the event tick we're going to branch, and if it is false we're going to go to the sequence, and if it is true we're going to go to the functionality that we just created, and we are going to get the is champion focused, and we are going to hook it up to the condition. Let's see if this will work. Yep, so now that I'm pressing spacebar, it is continuously following for the character, and it is preventing me from moving the camera, even if I try to use arrows. So that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.